It's the 21st of June, midsummer, and the sun has come out, and no doubt it'll be busy in Patasade today. So walking first with Lily to avoid the crowds.